Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your boy Jack Knight 2000. Today guys, we're going to be doing Snack Crate for the very first time. I have no idea what's in the box, so without further ado, let's do this. Alright guys, so I just bought this box. This is the Snack Crate, guys. It's similar to Loot Crate, guys. So today guys, I am going to be unboxing this bad boy. I don't know what country it's from, but we're gonna find out when we open it up. So I'm very anxious to see what's in this. It's like 5 in the morning, but I was like, you know what? I gotta do this now because I don't want to cheat and open it up and actually know what's in there when, you know, whatever. So anyways, guys, let's do this. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open it up. Look at that, guys. Snack Crate, Snack Crate, yes. Alrighty then, okay. So here we go, guys. It says, welcome to this month's snacking adventure. Get social with us. Share your snacking experience at Snack Crate. All right, guys. So today, guys, we have we actually have Canada up in the bad boy, guys. Look at this, guys. When you open it up, this is what it is, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That is awesome, guys. That is so awesome. It's got a nice little picture here. I think it's got everything that comes in here, and you guys can get bigger size boxes if you want to. I just got the smaller box just because I'm cheap that way, but you guys can literally get the bigger size if you guys want to. All right, so let's dig into this, guys. Apparently this has a list full of stuff that comes with it, as you can see. Let me show you guys so you guys can actually see. All right, so we're gonna go over the stuff that we have, guys. Okay, so looks like first thing we have in the box is something called ketchup flavored chips here, guys. So here it is right here, guys. Ketchup flavored chips, guys. And instead of doing an individual taste test on all these, I'm just gonna do the whole box tonight, guys. But here it is right here, guys. There it is. It's called Old Dutch ketchup chips, guys. Let's open it up, see what it is. Oh gosh, guys, so when I first opened this bad boy, I'm not gonna lie to you, it literally smells like ketchup. I'm gonna show you guys inside the bag. There you go. Alright guys, I'm gonna pull one of these bad boys out and we're gonna try this. Here we go, guys. Look at that. That's awesome. Pretty cool, guys. I'm anxious to try this. This is a Canadian chip, so let's give it a shot, guys. Mmm. Oh my god. Oh my god. Canadians, eh? You guys know what the freak you're doing over there. Oh my god. That has an almost identical taste to ketchup. It's really interesting, guys. I'm gonna do a few. Wow, guys. So immediately after tasting this, guys, I taste a burst of flavor, guys. Immediately, it feels like I'm drinking ketchup, which I'm not. They're a bag of chips, but these things are really freaking good, guys. Good on you, guys. Old Dutch ketchup chips. I gotta give this a 10 out of 10. This is really delicious. All right, guys, on to the next one. We have a bag of Canadian Ruffles, guys, here. Now, I don't know how this differentiates from our Ruffles, but it says all dressed. I'm not sure what that means. Canadians' very own all dressed. I'm not sure how I feel about this one, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what it is anyway. Ah, my gosh. Not bad. Not bad at all, guys, honestly. It tastes just like a traditional chip. It has a slight tart taste to it. Just a little tiny one. Now, I'm not sure if that's the pepper that we see here on the bag or whether that's the onion. I'm not sure, but here's a good look at the chip, guys. Look at that, guys. Not much seasoning on this. Wow. That is really freaking good. Seriously, guys. I'm gonna have to give this a freaking 10 out of 10. Again, that's 2. Wow. By the way, guys, that was the Ruffles this time. That was the Ruffle Canadian edition, all dressed. All right, guys, here we go. We have something that I love. I love gummies, guys. These are called real fruit gummies, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these bad boys in the frame so you guys can see. That's what it looks like there. Very interesting. Gluten-free, it says. Super fruits. Do you dare say this is healthy? Only 190 calories for this whole thing. Okay, so apparently, let me see if I can flip this up for you guys. What flavors each one is. Right there. You guys can pause that for reference, but let's go ahead and pop this open. Here we go. It's like a breath of fresh air, guys. Honestly, this stuff's really smelling good. Okay, here we go. I got the black currant. I'm not sure what a black currant is, but there it is, guys. Pretty cool. Okay, let's try it. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, for a gummy I was expecting it to be a little bit more softer. However, it's still very delicious and full of flavor. Let's try another one. Alright guys, this is the one I got this time, guys. Let's check and see what it is. So this one is a Marion blackberry flavored. Let's try this. Okay. Like I said, I feel like it's a little bit hard for a gummy, but other than that, the taste does taste really like full. But at the same time, guys, I feel like the only thing that's making me not want to just go out and buy these when I go to Canada, guys, is that they're a little bit too tough, like too chewy, guys. But other than that, really good, guys. So for this, I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10, guys. All right, guys, here we go. We're on to the next one, guys, and today this is what we have up next, guys. This is a bear paw. These soft and chewy biscuits are made with real bananas, making them resemble freshly baked banana bread straight out of the oven. Taste in a wrapper, guys. Come on, can't be better than that, right? So without further ado, let's open this and see what it do. By the way, it's 170 calories, so if you're on a diet or whatever. All right, let's open this up. Okay, looks like it comes with 2, guys. Let me pull one of these bad boys out. Okay, it's a bear paw. Look, it's a paw. Aw, look at that, just a little paw, just a little paws. That is awesome. There it is, guys, for you right there. It's a little bear claws. There it is. Pretty cool. So the most important thing is, let's see how this tastes, guys. Without further ado, let's do it. Okay, man. Really good. Really, really good. Okay, it took me a second. The only thing I can say that is gonna make this a 9 instead of a 10 out of 10 is I feel like it's just a little bit too dryish, but it is very delicioso. Oh yeah. You Canadians know how to make snacks, I'll tell you that right now. Man, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this one. And that was the bear claws, guys. Apparently they come in different flavors as well, so you guys are gonna have to check it out for yourself. Okay guys, we got something else here that's pretty darn hard. This is called a Mcintosh Toffee, guys. Look at this, check it out, guys. Look at that cool wrapper, guys. Enjoyed in Canada for over 100 years, Mcintosh Toffee is known for being not too hard, not too soft. I'm just gonna say it right now. I'm gonna bang this on the desk. That's how hard it is, guys. All right, let's go ahead and open this and see what it does. This is 200 calories, if you were wondering. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Let's see. All right, look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm just gonna break a small piece off here, guys, and show you guys. Here it is. There it is. Look at that. That is awesome. Okay, guys. Well, bottoms up. Oh my God. You can't bite this. You mostly suck on it. Pause on that. Pause on that. Seriously. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's good. Man, guys. Canada is on fire, guys. Yo, guys. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Literally 10 out of 10, guys. The Mcintosh Toffee is on fire, my friends. Yo, you guys gotta check it out, man. Really good, guys. Really freaking good, guys. I highly recommend that. But we got one more thing left. Let's get into it. Alright, guys, if you guys know anything about Canadians, or if you guys have even watched a movie with Canadians, guys, you guys will understand and know that these guys love maple syrup. I don't know, it's just like a national thing that they like over there, guys. It's very custom to like maple bacon and stuff like that. And so I have in my hands, guys, a maple freaking, check this out, guys. This is really freaking cool. It's actually a maple lollipop. Check that out, guys. Isn't that freaking cool? Look at that. This is supposed to be 100% pure maple syrup. So we're gonna open this bad boy up and we're gonna see what the freak it do, guys. Let's take it off the packaging and I'll give you guys a closer look at this bad boy. Oh yeah, let's take it out, man. Here we are. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. I am just, yo, check it, guys. Look at that, guys. Holy smackaroo doody looty doo. That is awesome, guys. All right, so this is 100% maple syrup. I've never had maple syrup. Now I'm sure when this stuff is fresh, it's really, really delicious. However, I'm going to dig in and see what the freak it do. Without further ado, 100% maple, so 100% make 100% maple syrup lollipop. Let's do it. Oh my freaking God. Oh. Ha! Gay! I want it to live in my mouth, yo. 20 out of 10. Like, this shit is fire. This is like the best out of everything I've had. Maybe the ketchup chips is up there. But damn. I see why they love it. I literally see why they love it. Oh my God. No homo. Okay? No homo. I just wish they didn't have to shape it like that leaf, man. It'd be more easier to like suck without making it look sus. But anyways, guys. 20 out of 10. So guys, tell me what you guys thought was the best, what you guys would like to try, and if you guys would consider getting yourself a snack box, guys. These snack crates, I'm sorry, are very good, very awesome. You get one per month, and there's actually a bigger size that you guys can get, guys. I just happened to get the small one. I may upgrade, who knows, because that shit, excuse my language, was freaking delicious, guys. But yo, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys power punch that like button. This is your boy, Jack Knight 2000, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, love, and as always, my friends, 3 flowers grease. Until the next one, peace.